Hey there, future Uber driver. You're about to embark on a new adventure and it's super exciting. But before you hit the road, let's talk about some common mistakes new drivers make. Avoiding these pitfalls will make your experience much smoother and more profitable. First, don't assume your current car is good enough. Uber has specific vehicle requirements in Canada, and your trusty old clunker might not make the cut. Make sure it's newer, clean, and in good working order. Second, do not skip the background check. Uber takes safety seriously, and they will run a thorough background check on you. Make sure you are upfront about any past issues because any surprises could jeopardize your application. Third, do not neglect the training. Uber offers training to help you understand the app, safety guidelines, and best practices for driving. Take advantage of this. It'll make your first few weeks much easier. Fourth, do not forget the insurance. Uber provides some insurance, but it doesn't cover every situation. Make sure you have additional rideshare insurance to protect yourself financially. Finally, do not underestimate the importance of customer service. Your passengers are your customers, and they'll be judging you based on your driving, cleanliness, and attitude. Be courteous, professional, and make sure your car is clean and comfortable. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll set yourself up for success as an Uber driver in Canada. Remember, it's all about safety, professionalism, and providing a positive experience for your passengers. Happy driving!